There's a phrase I really love: bullshit speech acts, coined by Harry Frankfurt. It's used to explain when a speaker knows they aren't telling the truth, but do it anyway. Anytime you see these sponsored video ads, don't you wonder just for a second if the speaker has actually used the item they're now promoting? Which is why this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow. It's not a stretch to think some would. Most influencers have a price that you can pay to promote pretty much anything: skinny tea, crypto scams, weight loss devices. At some point in time, the dollar weighs more than the ethics. The information that gets clicks and attention is just steeped in novelty or mystique. It needs to be sexy or shocking. It needs, oh my God, wow, power. So I'm going to show you exactly, word for word, how this is done. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Maxwell Wiseman. Everybody, welcome to this extraordinary gathering of seekers of well-being. Today, I am honored to reveal to you the greatest secret of all time, a gift from the hidden village nestled in the heart of China. This village is known as Xanadu. It has guarded a rare and powerful herb for countless centuries. Its name, the legendary Elixirophilia. This extraordinary herb possesses the ability to unlock the true potential of your mind, your body, and your spirit. It is hailed as a panacea, a remedy for all ailments, and a fountain of eternal youth. Imagine waking up every day with a radiant glow, bursting with energy and vitality. The Elixirophilia can bestow upon you the gift of flawless, age-defying skin, increased mental clarity, and boundless zest for life. Not only that, but this remarkable herb has also been known to enhance physical performance, promote weight loss, and even boost your immune system to new heights. Now, my friends, you may be wondering, how can I attain this miraculous herb? Fear not, for I've secured a limited supply directly from the sacred village of Xanadu in my travels, exclusively for you. Today, and only today, I'm offering this unique opportunity to claim your own bottle of Elixirophilia. This small vial holds the power to unlock your true potential and transform your life. So my friends, seize this chance to embark on a journey toward ultimate well-being. Visit our site. Put your name in now for your own chance to get your own bottle of Elixirophilia, the secret elixir of the ancients. Don't let this life-changing opportunity pass you by. Okay, I'm not going to take this shirt off, but imagine I spent more than 3 minutes writing that script and, more time editing it. Imagine there's a whole team behind this, right? It sounds a little kooky when I do it with this voice, but imagine I do it like a real marketer. If I found a good audience, surely somebody would buy that. That's why this kind of content exists. We all want answers for our unique situation. We want to believe there's some magic pill or exercise or something. We are so terrified of making a mistake, of taking a slower path or causing ourselves harm. And who can blame us? We only have one body. You would not believe how many different things I tried to treat my colitis when I was a kid before I actually found the answer. And it wasn't a pill, it wasn't a powder, it wasn't a tincture or a doctor. This isn't an ad, by the way, but it actually sounds like one, right? Well, I don't know. I guess sort of it is if this interests you, but it was an elimination diet. The reason that I make it such a big focal point of my programs with all my clients is because it gives the individual information about their body. It's not some one-size-fits-all bullshit, but I'm also putting an emphasis on elimination diets because this is something you can Google search. You don't need somebody to walk you through this. It's only really something that I offer to people if they want the coaching, but it was useful for me. So why am I saying this? Because I want you to have something to walk away with this episode with, something you can actually do, something actionable, and it's something you can just Google. But if you're somebody who does want coaching, if you're somebody who does want to be guided through this, then put a comment or click my website. I will help you comb through the fitness swamp. I will provide you tools, a program, and a diet unique to you. I will give you access to me for any questions that you've got. Like I said, you can just put a comment in the YouTube video, or you can go to Pride Fitness US, schedule a free consult, DM me on Instagram at AndrewPFM, and we can see where we go. Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. If you got some value out of that, please give me a little subscribe somewhere in there, whether that is on Apple, Spotify, wherever you're listening right now. And you can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, pretty much everywhere, honestly, at AndrewPFM. So yeah, guys, until next time, we'll see y'all later.